Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are solving question 6 from the IMAT 2024 paper. Let's start by reading the question. Shelly is one of 1,500 participants in a Latin contest. 12% of the participants will receive a prize, either a silver-plated or gold-plated pen. If the number of silver-plated pens is twice the number of gold-plated ones, what is the probability that Shelly will receive a gold-plated one? The question asks, what's the probability that Shelly receives a gold-plated pen? First, let's find out how many total prizes are given. We do that by finding 12% of the total participants, which was 1,500. So a way to calculate this would be to think of 12% as 10% plus 2%. 10% of 1,500 is just 150. We do that by moving the decimal one place to the left. And 1% of 1,500 would be 15. So 2% would be 30. Now adding them together, we get 150 plus 30, which is 180. So 12% of 1,500 is 180. So the key information is that the number of silver-plated pens is twice the number of gold-plated pens. Let's say the number of gold pens is x. Then the number of silver pens is 2x. So together, x plus 2x is equal to 180. 3x is equal to 180, and x is equal to 60. So there are 60 gold pens. Now remember, Shelly is one of all 1,500 participants, not just among the prize winners. So the probability that Shelly gets a gold pen is 60 divided by 1,500. To calculate this, rather than doing long division, simplify the fraction first. Divide both numbers by 10 to get 6 over 50, then divide both by 6 to get 1 over 25. Since 1 over 25 is equal to 4 over 100, that's 4%, so the correct answer is E. A common mistake would be for students to divide 60 by 180 and get 1/3. Then choose option D, but that's only the probability of getting a gold pen if you've already won a prize. The question asks for the probability that Shelly, out of all 1,500 participants, receives a gold pen. That's why the denominator must be 1,500, not 180. Always check whether the denominator should be the total number of participants or only a smaller group. And that's it. If this explanation helped, leave a like and make sure to check out imatmock.com for more practice questions. Thanks for watching.